Hey everybody, welcome to Len Bush Roses. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Len Bush.
And I'm Kristin Thomas. I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Bush. And we know you can see behind us, so we might as well just tell you.
Patio time.
It's patio time. Literally, Easter happened 2 days ago, and today we're getting a shipment of all of our patio plants that are behind us. So literally, Georgia and we keep saying, we're in Florida.
Yeah,
we're
it's
in
hot.
Florida. It's hot.
It's very hot. I had to take off my sweater. It was so hot.
Yes, yeah, it is. And we're not complaining because it truly is very tropical in here and beautiful. And this is always an exciting time for us when we get over all of our patio plants.
It really is. Oh God,
but
it's exciting for the customers too.
It is. We're not there yet outside though.
No, not yet. So in between time, before we start getting those patio plants all put together, putting those porch pots together for the summer, we're doing a porch pot for the spring. And yes, technically it is spring, even though weather-wise we're not quite there.
Might feel a little wintry.
So exactly, but the cool thing is that bulbs are actually more resilient than what people give them credit for. They really are. They can actually withstand a light frost. They can withstand some snow. So bulbs are pretty resilient during this time. So we're going to go ahead and just get some going into this planter, that outdoor planter that we're doing inside today.
Yeah. Well, that's because we'd rather be warm.
Outdoor.
Yes. I have to still bring it home because this is actually my planter for my house.
Kristin, so we're going to do it for her, and she's
I'm
going to
watch every step you do because I have to do this.
Well,
I have to repeat
step
it.
One.
Okay.
There you go.
I have a second one at home that I have to make look the same.
Okay. Well, first of all, we're going to just get these ready. Loosen up the soil a little bit and kind of get them in here. And I wanted to point. Go ahead. No, you go ahead.
I was just going to say this soil is still from. Yeah. So this is my soil from last year, and then I put my my spruce tips and my evergreens in here. And so, Georgia, is there a time really that I should? Put all my new soil in
before summer.
Okay.
Yep. And what you want to do, you don't have to take it all the way out. Here, whoopsie, hand you that. Kind of split it. It separated itself perfectly, actually. So you don't have to take all the soil out for your summer planters, but you're going to take about half of it out and put new soil and compost in. Okay. So did you read that blog that I recently wrote?
Yes,
there you go. So you're going to want to get you're going to want to get some nice composting soil that's got a good moisture barrier in it to help it drain, and nutrition. That's really important at this point. And then, in the fall again, we'll do fall planters, and we'll do, did I break him?
Pretend this didn't happen.
Yeah, we'll pretend he that didn't happen. So another one's coming up right next to it, so it's perfect. So in the fall then, you'll just put in fall planters, we'll change you over to fall, and we don't have to do anything again until next summer.
Next summer.
So really once a year, just when it really, the longest time that you have something in it that really needs nutrition is really the summer months.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, exactly.
So recycle your soil up until your spring planters are done.
It's okay to totally do that, you bet. Okay, variegated ivy. Kristin, I've always said that variegated ivy is a little bit more hardy than people give it credit for.
Yeah.
Especially when it goes from summer to fall. Okay. Because if you've got variegated ivy in your summer planters, really it's acclimated to the outside weather. Sure. And when fall comes, it can actually handle those cooler fall temps and handle a little bit of a light frost.
Okay.
It'll be a little bit more touchy this time of year.
I was going to say, should I protect it now?
So what you want to do is kind of what I like to do before I put them in my planters for spring. I actually am acclimating them at home for my clients. Okay. So I'm letting them outside during the day when the weathers are certain, temperature.
Bring them in at night.
And then I bring them in at night, and then a little bit more and a little bit more. I do this about a week and a half before I do my spring planters for clients.
Sure.
Then I'm acclimating them. So maybe if it gets below like 38 the next couple of days, if it's going to become that, then you just maybe cover this area with a little bag at night or a little towel or something. Okay. And it'll be okay. So look at how pretty the ivy is. It comes into this grouping and just totally brings it together. It just makes it look springy. And the nice thing is, then you've got ivy ready for summer. When we change you over in about a month and a half, your ivy's ready to go.
Right.
It'll have grown.
Yes.
And it'll be perfect.
I love that.
Yep. So let's go. Let's see. What do you think? Like that?
That's so pretty.
Okay. Let's grab forsythia, and we need those nice tall pussy willows.
So some of you might have forsythia already in your stores or at home, and it comes in different shapes and sizes. So these are some that I had from last year in my home. So they're a little bit taller. This is one that we actually just got here in that Lenten bush this morning. I literally had to go and grab it out of the box. So it's more of a bush. I know. I find stuff.
You were, yeah, you do. We find stuff. That's
stuff.
Kristin finds stuff.
Yes, but it did just come in this morning, so I think it's an inventory.
Well, I love this nice brightness that it has, and look at that. It just brings something to the center of your planter as well. And when the bulbs start to die off in a few weeks, and it'll take a few weeks because you've got various different bulbs at various different stages. Exactly. So it'll take a few weeks, but once it starts to die off a little bit or gets scangly, you've got this pretty yellow forsythia still happening.
That's not going to die because it's artificial.
Nope, and you'll pull it out, and then you've got it for next year.
Yeah, yep.
Let's grab some pussy willow, Kristin. Sure. Do you want the taller ones or do you want the shorter ones? What do you think?
Well, I think when these kind of stand out more, I don't know if they're going to get my vehicle. I might have to take them out, but I mean, we have pussy willow here in several different sizes. So, Georgia, what do you think?
What moves me? I like the tallness. Okay. I really do.
All right.
So let's go ahead and get these ready to go. And I like to. I very seldom throw anything away, as you know. There's always a way to use something. So I kind of will do this when there are these really tall ones and I have to cut it down.
You're getting two things.
And you're getting exactly.
Love that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
And you can do it at different, and I like how it gives you a little bit of a piece coming up. Let's get a close one up. Our dear Sarah, I'll put this one right up here. And all you do, and you have two pieces happening. Isn't that kind of cool?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, that's what I do with these nice tall ones. And so you're kind of getting a 2-for-1.
Well, otherwise you just be cutting it off and throwing it away.
Exactly, and there's don't do that. There's no way you want to throw any part of pussy willow away.
Okay, yeah.
It's amazing, amazing product. We want to make sure we're using it. So. There you go. Yeah.
That's
so
awesome.
what do you think? Let's take a look. Can I walk around this way and do this? I just got in the way, didn't I, Sarah? Okay. Yeah, that is cute. Oh,
cute.
Where did those pods go?
Oh.
The pods. Let's grab the pods.
Sarah's favorite.
Yes, Sarah. Sorry, Sarah, but
Sarah loves these pods.
Let's put some pods in. So dried goods. Let's talk about that. Dried goods, preserved. Okay, dried goods, preserved goods. All of those are amazing to put inside your planters as well. Look for something, sponges. Dried or faux sponges are really cool to put in spring planters. So I just have these pods and we're gonna tuck a few of these in.
Oh my gosh, could they be taped anymore?
Yeah, no.
Seriously.
They're well put together there, yeah, well packaged. Okay. And I like to do different levels because that always brings interest into something. Sarah's sneezing on us.
Yes.
Oh, Sarah's, yeah, she's got
allergies, spring allergies.
Now she's going to say she's allergic to lotus pods and we can't use them because she's allergic to.
Right. Stop it.
Let's see, if we only do 3, then you've got 3 for your other planter.
Oh, okay, there you go. See,
I like that.
About symmetry.
Yep, got to have some symmetry. So there we go. Got a little bit of a
texture,
stepping. Yep,
a different
it does, it really does. And then to finish it off, I love to use that green Spanish moss. So the dyed Spanish moss, you could use the gray, the natural, but I like to use that green in spring, and I just go all the way around the edge. Yep. And I've got some over at my workstation you can have.
Thank you.
Yeah. There we go.
Perfect. Love it.
Happy spring.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to do them, guys. This is the time to get those bulb planters done. It really is.
So, what would you like to say about these cute drawers?
Okay. Yes, these cute little drawers. Well, Renata has these in supplies right now. Whoops, they're going to roll off on us.
Okay.
There we go. But here, I'll grab this one. You grab the large one. So we've got this nesting set of boxes that we want to point out to you because we want to kind of get these out to you for spring, because look at the cute little options you can do with these.
Yeah, I love those.
Foam, they're lined, Kristin.
Yep,
so
we always wanted the
and
line.
arrangement with this beautiful flowers coming out of this for spring, and they're very neutral. That's what I love about these boxes. They're neutral, and home decor, exactly. They have that look that we've been talking about too. So the small one, they're a set of 3. So it's a set of 3, nest together, but you're gonna get the set and you're gonna break it apart and do all these fun things with them. So you can drop a plant in, a green plant, a bloomer, whatever you want. I just dropped the container right in, so it shows a little bit, but you could squeeze it out and drop it in and have a better fit that way.
Or just do the moss
or
around
some
to
moss,
hide your
just like
pot.
I did on this one. Because again, I dropped everything into this one and just mossed it. So 3 different sizes. You got 3 different options of sales going out the door that you can work with.
Super cute. Cute for Mother's Day.
Yeah, and we'll put this number on.
We can put the code
later, right? The code on later?
Yep.
Right, okay. But otherwise, guys, you need these. We've got them, you need them. They're so cute.
They're really cute.
Yeah.
Okay,
so there we go. There's our cute little hard goods sale for
Love
today.
it. Yeah, right. Thank you for doing this for me.
Yeah,
Now I'll try to duplicate at home.
Now who's going to put this in the van for you?
I'll find someone.
Okay.
Not either you or I.
Yeah, not us. Who walks by at the moment?
Yeah, right, exactly.
Hey, by the way.
All right, well, you guys have a great week and happy spring.